Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah teman-teman, pada hari ini Senin tanggal 9 Agustus tahun 2021, saya berada di daerah Blang Kuala Meukek, Kecamatan Meukek, tentu Kabupaten Desa Selatan ya. Ya, alhamdulillah saya bersama Tengku Agus ini, ataupun MN yang bakal menjadi pilot drone DJI MAVIC AIR 2. Ya, teman-teman, jumpa lagi kita di channel AKC atau Adik Kopa Channel ini ya. Ya, alhamdulillah ini di sini ada teman-teman kita yang lagi nongkrong. Ya. Ya, ini bakal kita terbangkan nanti ya. Drone DJI MAVIC AIR 2. Ini perdana teman, baru pertama kali saya menerbangkan drone di daerah Meukek ini ya. Yang insya Allah nanti kami bakal menuju ke daerah pantai ataupun laut ya, melihat keindahan laut di Meukek ini. Ya, jangan lupa teman-teman ikutin terus di AKC ini. Sekian teman, jangan tunggu lama lagi, kami pun mau menerbangkan secepat mungkin. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up